Hello everyone. I had a wee problem with radiator fan with this model, and that is a 2-liter diesel CDTI Astra. The same motor is with Insignia, obviously. This type of fan is different than in petrol engines. So problem was that this error code P0480 was popping out all the time, and car was telling me to stop driving, etc, etc. I was struggling to find the fault. Obviously I've been checking relays of the connectors, especially that big plug over here, what is almost impossible to get. And I found somewhere on forum information that is another one plug before the relays going under the plastic cover, and I found that is exactly in this place. So one cable was playing on the plastic, another one is halfway done as well. So generally the two wee tiny cables need to be soldered again, and that connection need to be fixed. After fixing that connection, everything works fine. I make a first test and I do second one now just to show that. So generally we make a fan test, get communication, increase, sorry. Okay, fan is starting. Obviously you can increase more, yep, and more, and switch off. Now I try to switch off. Release control. Okay, so generally that's the fault. A wee wire, or maximum 2 wires. Second wire was nearly broken as well, but definitely one wire, and it's causing so lots of trouble and problems with working cooling fan. So I hope that helps someone to figure out the fault, because you'll need to pay your mechanic a lot of possible money to fix that one wee single wire rod you can do easily, and that will cost you maybe 5 quid to fix it. So that's the fault, that's the problem. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye now. Oh, it's off. Now it's off. Thanks God it's working now. Oh my God. Great.